In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate sales tax reports in Xero. Whether you're a small business owner managing your accounts or an accountant juggling multiple clients, mastering this process will help you manage your tax obligations more efficiently. So, let's dive in and walk through this task step by step. First, you'll want to open the Xero website. Make sure you've logged into your account with the correct credentials because accessing your financial reports requires the right permissions. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, you'll see a variety of options designed to help you manage your finances. Today, our focus is on generating a sales tax report, so let's continue our journey by heading over to the Reporting section of the site. Now, locate and click on Reporting. This section houses all your financial reports, allowing you to keep track of different aspects of your business's performance. Clicking on Reporting will introduce you to a comprehensive suite of available reports. For our task today, we're interested in the Sales Tax Report. So go ahead and click Sales Tax Report among the list of options. Once you're in the Sales Tax Report area, it's time to select the date range for your report. This is crucial because the period you choose will dictate the data that is pulled into your report. Selecting the appropriate dates ensures that the report is precise and meets your business requirements. You can adjust the dates based on your specific needs, might it be monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your typical sales tax reporting cycle. Now that you've selected your date range, it's time to think about how you'd like to view your data. Xero offers several ways to display your report, each providing a unique perspective on your sales tax data. You have the option to show the report by tax rate, which can give you a detailed look at the different tax rates that apply to your sales. Alternatively, displaying by tax component breaks down the report into more granular parts, offering insights into specific tax elements. Lastly, showing by account type allows you to classify sales tax data by different account categories. Choose the option that best serves your analysis needs or provides the clarity you require for your reporting obligations. Once you've made your selections, it's time to finalize your report by clicking the Export button. Exporting the report allows you to save it for future reference, print it out, or share it with relevant stakeholders. Xero provides multiple export options, including PDF and CSV, enabling you to format the report in a way that best suits your needs. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully generated a sales tax report in Xero. Make sure to review your report to ensure it aligns with your records and fulfills your sales tax reporting requirements. I hope you find this guide helpful in simplifying your accounting tasks. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.